Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, a hearty welcome and thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be preparing fried chicken liver. Stay tuned if you want to see how it's done. I washed my livers with water and vinegar and I pat dry them really well. Now I'm going to go in with my powdered seasoning. The full recipe will be listed below. My Worcestershire sauce because it makes everything better, and some pepper sauce in there. Now you want to season this really well, cover it and leave it to marinate in the fridge for a couple of hours. Now I'm going to go ahead and season some flour because I like to coat my livers before frying them. If you don't want to use flour, you can just go ahead and use cornstarch. Now you want to coat these really well and shake them to remove the excess flour. Now you want to make sure your oil is hot. Fry these on medium heat. You want to be very careful because the oil will pop. Once that side is nice and golden brown, you can just flip them to fry the other side. Once there is no blood, if you set them with a fork or any form of liquid, you know your liver is finished. Now you can go ahead and put them on some absorbent paper or wire rack or whatever you prefer. Drizzle a little ketchup on there. Man, these are delicious. You can have these with bread, mashed potatoes, whatever you fancy. I love my fried livers with hot sauce. These are delicious, guys. You have to try this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.